Scholarships in Australia, government funded. Who can get? How we can get? Where to apply? When to apply? All in this video. Hey, in this video we're going to take about the scholarships. Now, firstly you have to open Google. At Google you have to type Australian awards. A site will open. This is the government site of Australian government, in which scholarships are given. Like this site is open. See, this is the homepage of the website. This is their Twitter handle. Now you have to go to Australian Award Scholarships. You have to open this Australian Award Scholarship. About Australian Award Scholarship. Australian Award Scholarships are long-term awards administered by the Department of Foreign Trade and Affairs. The aim is to contribute to the development needs of Australian partner countries in line with bilateral and regional agreement. These scholarship benefits are as follows. Australian Award Scholarship are offered to the minimum period necessary for an individual to complete academic program specified by Australian Higher Education Institute, including any preparatory training. The following benefits generally apply. Generally, the thing is, this applies for your full tuition fees, return air travel payment of single return, economic class air freight from Australia to the desired country, establishment allowance, contribution to allowance, introduction to academic program, overseas student health cover, pre-course English, and many more. What are the conditions? Applications who want to accept an Australian will need to sign a contract with the Commonwealth of Australia declaring that they will comply with the conditions of the scholarship. I leave minimum fully after that, but means if you are a scholar from there, them scholars are required to leave Australia for a minimum of 2 years after completing scholarship. Failure to do will result in a scholar including a depth of total accrued cost of the scholarship. If you don't leave the country, you have to give full amount. Now, how to apply? First we will see country information. Participating countries. What are the participating countries of this scholarship? Like we are in Asia. We are India. From India, these are scholarships. This is the full PDF for 2021 preceding year scholarship. You can go here and visit the full scholarship portal. Like India, Australian Award Scholarships in India, Australian Award Benefit. Like you can see here, eligibility criteria. Some of these universities are the criteria. This is the criteria for the preceding universities, but I will tell you some of the more scholarships also. If you are in these universities, you are able to apply. What are documents required? Passport, identification document, Aadhaar card, PAN card, voter card, birth certificate, etc. For 2021, the key application opens are 1 Feb 2020 and application closed at 30 April 2020. Those who are in these countries, these universities, please apply if you want to go out. You don't have to pay any money to the government. Government will provide you everything if you are selected. Now, what is selection procedure? See. What is selection procedure? Selection procedure. Following eligibility, checking application will be assessed and shortly by Australian government representatives. Academics check होंगी आपकी. Leadership qualities and potential, ability to demonstrate how the scholarship will contribute to building linkage between Australia and India. How you can bring linkage between Australia and India. These are the details and what they cover. Mainly the thing is what they cover. Like we see, like these are also the countries: Africa, Middle East. If you are from any of these countries, you can apply and see. Like Pakistan, you can see your brochure and see how much scholarship you can get. And now opening and closing dates. You can see these opening and closing dates. Like for Bangladesh, it's 1 Feb opening dates and closing date is 30 June. For Cambodia is 1 Feb 2020 to 30 June, and many more. Do visit this website if you want this scholarship from Australian government. What are participating institutes? Mainly the thing is, what are participating institutes? Like we open the sites of institutes. Like see, the main universities of Australia are University of Melbourne, University of Adelaide, and Australian National University. They are top 50 ranked universities of world. They also provide the scholarship with help of the government of Australia. If you are too lucky to apply to the scholarship, who knows, You will be studying in one of the finest institutes of the country, who are in top 50. Even our IITs are also in top 50. I don't know who calculate these rankings, but all things are measured here. You can see RMIT University, South Cross University, William English Institute of TAFE, University of Technology Sydney, University of Sunshine Coast, University of Wollongong, Deakin University, Curtin University of Technology. Means after your bachelor's or in first year you can go here. Many universities are in top 50 or top 100 criteria of the world ranking. Like IIT Delhi world ranking is below 100. These are the documents required. I told you. Thanks. Now how to apply. You have to open this web page. How to apply? First check the closing and opening dates of your country and select your country citizenship. Now see the participating country page. If you need to apply, you must read Australian Award Scholarship Policy Handloom. What is Policy Handloom? See. Like we open this Policy Handloom. See. Australian Awards eligibility criteria. What is eligibility criteria? Mainly the eligibility criteria is be a minimum of 18 years of age on 1 Feb of every commencing the scholarship. Be a citizen of participating country of Australian website, not be a citizen. If you are interested, you may read these brochures. English language, which are English language required? I think they required IELTS, TOEFL and PTE. These courses are required. They are basic English course. Like what is eligibility criteria? An academic IELTS result with overall 6.5, not less than 6. These are band criteria. TOEFL 84 with a minimum of 21 in subtest and PTE overall 58. These are the requirements to study there. And many more things are required. These are the scholarships to the specific institutes. You can also get some scholarships which are private or many scholarships in Australia. Like you have to Google it, study Australia. Like one more government site is of Australia, study in Australia. Open this. Now you will get all the comparison. Why Australia, Australian education. Like you want scholarships, go to here. Australian scholarship destination, Australian provider scholarship. Who can apply? कौन apply कर सकता है? Who can apply these scholarships? Like these organizations. Like which university want to you go? Like you want to go to Queensland University of Technology. What do you want to do? This is a type of filter, you can say that. Where? Queensland filter. Like in this university, this not specific. China Scholarship Council scholarship annual 7,000, data 61, PhD scholarship 50,000. This is a filter in which you can get your scholarships, that how much scholarships you can get, and the deadlines, closing lines, deadlines, all are given here. Like this, for architect you can get $2,500 of Australia. So these are the two websites you can visit and see how much scholarship you can get granted from them. So I hope you are clear with the scholarships. I have mentioned many scholarships. These are the official government sites of Government of Australia, which they will provide you with the finest of finest scholarship available for you. Firstly, if you want to go out, keep your academics clear, keep your track record clear in your country, and keep studying and keep supporting us. So hit the like button and share button. Do subscribe to the channel if you want more of these. This is Australia, that how we can get scholarship. We will do more on Australia. Till then, bye bye, thank you, and do like the hit button. Thank you.